Are you happy with the choice of Ralph Recto as replacement?
Well, I'm happy in terms of the president having someone he can trust who can also implement what he wants. Ang concern ko lang is Sec Ralph Recto is known to be a taxman. So, as an executive secretary, more than being a DOF secretary, he will be able to coordinate with all the secretaries of the government now to push, if ever, for more taxes or lobby against certain tax amnesties or yung mga valid na reform na gusto ng iba na maybe let's say 10% VAT, ibaba from 12%, yung VAT sa kuryente or sa Meralco, alisin or certain tax amnesties. I don't really think that's possible. It was already less possible nung DOF Secretary si Ralph Recto, but now it will be impossible kasi executive secretary siya. So under niya ang NEDA, under niya lahat, hindi lang ang DOF. So on that side, I think that's concerning for me as a citizen who seems to be overtaxed like everyone else, no? Yung taxes kasi natin para hindi pala napupunta sa tama pero naglalagay sila ng bagong taxes. Baka magkaroon bang ng bagong taxes dahil kay Ralph Recto?
Hindi nga mas okay yun na wala na siya sa DOF. I mean, as a ES, he's the little president, right? So his plate is going to be very full. Maybe he won't have time to think of taxes. I don't know.
Taxes is always on Ralph Recto's mind. So, yung bagong DOF secretary, ano yan? Under yan kay ES kasi nga little president. So, kung gusto niya ng bagong taxes, kukulit-kulitin lang niya or yung mga senators or congressman naman, pwede naman na niyang kausapin kasi usually there will be liaison meetings, legislative coordination with Congress between Malacanang and Congress. Sino representative ni PBBM if he doesn't personally appear? It would be the taxman, former Senator Ralph Recto.